This is the new T2 Max Beamer by Wanbo, greatly improved when compared to their old T2 version. We'll get to that. As you can see, this is an incredibly tiny but still bright and powerful 1080p beamer. Looking really nice too, with an equally great picture and video quality and also sound quality and many more amazing features, especially for the price point, like AI, autofocus and keystone correction. Got a new drip from Wanbo, the new and improved T2 Max Beamer. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we have the box. That's the front, this on the side, this on the back. You happy, I happy, love it. And this on the side, brand on the top, and the bottom is just blank. So let's open it up. Oh, wait, well, never mind. That came off nicely. And there we go. There is also this. And on top we have the manual, then protection, and here we have it. Oh, it's so cute, so tiny. And down here we have the accessories and the charging brick. So let's get straight to the accessories. So there we go. First of all, we will get a cable for the power outlet. Good stuff, good stuff. Then we will get quite a lot of stickers. Funny. All right, then we will get a beautiful white remote. Check it out. That's the back. We will need 2 AA batteries. And that's the front. It is absolutely beautiful, nice buttons. Then of course we will also get a power brick. Here we have all the specs. And lastly, of course, the manual. All right, so this will unfold. So we have this, then this, and this on the first page. I mean on the first side, and this on the other side. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then to a close overview. The remote is beautiful. Let's check out the beamer. Whoa, I can't believe it. This is a fully fledged 1080p beamer. That is crazy. Oh no. Lens protection and also this. The front is absolutely beautiful. It's clean and shiny. Nice big lens. Powerful speakers. Thread, pads. Nice case too. And up here the button. All right, okay, let's take a close look. Starting at the back, we have the DC in USB HD and the headphone out, designed by Wanbo. Then also really cool pattern. We have the same on the front. And here we can actually see the fans, and somewhere in there are actually, I can also see the cooling blocks. Pretty cool. Okay, then I guess back here are the speakers. Oh, this would just come off, right? Then the sides are just blank, same on the top, but of course there is the button. Then on the bottom we have 4 nice rubber pads, 4 nice rubber feet, the specs and also a thread. And now check this out. Nicely padded, super stable, and again beautiful shiny front. Lens is looking amazing, and right here we also have the camera for the AI focus. Good stuff. Alrighty, not bad, right? So let's finally test it. So, ready for the test. I have plugged in the power supply, so let's go. Let's turn it on. All right, it will power up and let's see. Alrighty, it's way too close to the wall, of course, so let's move it back. This beamer is so tiny, it's so cute. So here we go. So let's go through the experience from scratch. Turning it on. Powering up. So now it's doing the calibration. Sweet. Oh, that was fast too. And it also did the keystone correction. Did you see that? That is awesome. And now we can use a remote. So first of all, we have the power off. Then we have the mouse. Then when we deactivate the mouse button, we of course have the cursor up and down, all of the good stuff. Then we can also access the settings. We can also mute it. Okay, it's up here. Volume, home, that is the home screen. And we also have, oh, we can also set the focus manually. Oh no, I just destroyed the perfect AI focus. I swear the AI focus was just spot on. But anyways, I think that's good too. Anyways, so let's go back to the home. So when we click on the settings on the remote, we have the network settings. We can connect to the Wi-Fi, of course. Okay, easy as that. So back to the settings. We also have the time settings, time zone, all of that stuff. Let's go. Good stuff. Then we also have, okay, let's check out the about first. Here we have all the specs and the details. Android 9.0 and also the software version. Let's check out the common settings as well. We can check the language, we can check all the apps right there. So it will come pre-installed with screen mirroring and also with Netflix apps. Then we can select the input, picture mode. Nice. Then we can check the settings for the sound. We also have an equalizer. Oh my goodness, nice. We can set a timer, keyboard settings, screensaver. Sweet. It's really responsive too. We can also do a local update and we can do a factory reset. Local update, let's see what will happen. Ah, we need with the USB drive. I see. Okay, and when we go back to the home screen, we have the search. Oh my goodness. Then we have the home with all the, well, there are actually, a banner and then also YouTube, Spotify, Facebook, Netflix, Prime Video. All of that pre-installed, even the Chrome browser. Good stuff. Okay, then up here we also have all the apps, all the other installed apps. Then also we have the video tab right here. Pretty dope. We have also music and here we also have more settings. So we have again the network. We can check the projector. Here we have the keystone correction. Good stuff. Autofocus, horizontal calibration, zoom settings as well. Oh, I just reset the keystone correction. Okay, so just got the notice of new firmware. Let's do the upgrade. Let's go. Really nice software straight out of the box, I have to say. Not too bad. And we are back. So there we go. We are up to date. Let's continue with the walkthrough. So again, we have the projector settings. There we can set the keystone correction and the focus, all of that good stuff. Then here we can switch between the input sources, USB, HDMI. We will check that in a second. We also have the media center. Here we can access, oh, that's the internal hard drive. Okay, software update, we just did that, of course. Bluetooth accessories. Then we can also change the boot source, language right there, once again, and more options right here. This is this, and we can also clear the memory. Clean all. Cool, good stuff. Detailed walkthrough of the iOS, done. Let's go for a sound test. Whoa, not too bad. Okay, let's go. Yeah, that's better. Wow, super loud. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this. Plenty loud. Bass test, let's go. Not too bad for this little form factor. Not too bad, wow. And it's so loud too. Wow, definitely passed the sound test. Okay, let's go to settings, input, USB. Okay, my stick has been plugged in. Successful identification. Let's see. Orbit, that's the USB stick. Videos. Okay, sample video right here. Oh. So that works too without any problems. And now actually, let me move it back even further. Let's blow up this image. Wow, look at that. You would not expect this, an image like this from such a tiny beamer. That is crazy. Look how clean it is. Look at this massive picture. This tiny beamer can actually produce something this huge, and it's looking so nice. Super nice and crisp image quality. The colors are amazing. I did not expect that. Look at that. That is so nice. For the next test, let's hook it up to a PC over the HDMI port, of course. Input source, HDMI. And there we go. 1080p 60 Hertz. And best of all, it's still so cute. And best of all, it's still doing all the automatic corrections in the background. So this will also work nicely for a PC setup. Check it out. Looking really nice. So that's working too, no problems. And lastly, let's try the screen sharing. Okay, let's see. Wow, simple as that. There we go. Screen sharing is active.
Welcome to another episode.
Nice. And it's also super responsive. So yeah, this beamer, it can do everything that it promises straight out of the box. Different input sources, automatic updates, automatic keystone correction, AI focus, all that good stuff. So yeah, it is indeed a fully fledged beamer. Look at this little thing right there. And look what it's doing. Look what it's doing. It's amazing. This tiny thing. Wow. This right here, this is the definition of portable. This beamer is so compact, so tiny, so small, you can bring it literally everywhere. You can bring it everywhere you go. But this is still a fully fledged 1080p beamer, as you saw. It's plenty bright with great video quality while still being really silent. And for this size, it delivers great sound too. And this is thanks to the built-in 300cc sound chamber. Pretty neat chamber structure in here. The operating system is based on Android 9. And as you saw, it's pretty smooth, pretty nice, straight out of the box. And the AI features are also super convenient to say the least. No more manual focus, the AI focus will take care of that in no time. Yeah, and as I mentioned, this is the new and improved version of the old T2 Max beamer. This one has 80% more brightness and now also HDR10 decoding for even brighter and sharper 1080p images. Vivid colors, it's clearer, has better sound quality, clear bass, less noise, and just all in all, an all-around improvement right here. And that is definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description. If you're interested, I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy your day and I will see you soon.